worked as a night man only. I did have nothing to do with the bodies. All this talk that I slept with the dead ones or had dead bodies, there is no truth to any of that.
You didn't live in the mortuary?
I lived in the mortuary, yes, but not in the embalming room. I mean, they make it sound like, you know, I slept in the crypts with them. And I never climbed into a coffin or anything like that. That is so damn ridiculous. And besides, the dead won't bother you. It's the living you gotta worry about.
Let me tell you, man, he was a big guy.
Clifton, get back here.
Hip, hip.